Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write approximately symbol in Microsoft Excel. So guys, there are some method you can type this symbol. One of them, you will find this key almost before the number one key on your keyboard. Just press with shift that key one time. Press shift plus that key and space. Another way, insert and equation and select this approximately key on this equation bar. You can make changes and apply all settings as you do in the font. Insert equation and select it approximately. Also, you can draw by using this shape. Or it's hard to type, but you can make. Like this. You can manually type this approximately shape and make changes as you need. So thanks for watching.